Hi, thanks for coming back to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Anyway, this video is me. I wanted to do a video on what I have for breakfast. And this is I don't eat this for breakfast every day. I would say maybe 3 times a week out of the 7 days that I will have a breakfast like this, because usually I like to start my morning with a Premier protein shake, just to make sure that I get in my proteins, and just in case my life or schedule is busy, you can just grab the shake and go, rather than to cook and have something you have to hold and eat. So anyway, thank you for coming to my channel. So today I'm making peanut butter pancakes, um, scrambled eggs, and oatmeal. So let me show y'all what I got at the store. Um, what I'm making my pancakes with. This lovely box. As you can tell, it's peanut butter flavor. They have chocolate, regular, whatever, and it's 14 grams of protein. And it's Kodak cakes. And you can purchase this at Kroger's. I don't know if Walmart has it yet, but I purchased mine at Kroger's. I'm gonna have to check at Walmart to see if they even carry this. But as you can see, the nutrition facts. Like I said, it has 14 grams of protein, only 7 grams of sugar, carbs 30 grams, and 200 calories. And then instructions are pretty, simple. But see, with these pancakes, you can make them more protein packed. So if you're really trying to get in your protein, you could just use water. That will give you 14 grams of protein. Or you could use milk, and that would give you 16 grams of protein. But if you add milk and an egg, you have a total of 18 grams. So, I think this is a wonderful thing, like, because I love pancakes, and you can also make waffles with it as well. So, it just depends on your taste and flavor. But in my pancakes, I'm going to add milk and an egg. And I don't buy regular milk. Well, I bought this other milk. And it's unsweetened. I should have tasted the other kind. But this is good. I don't necessarily like to just drink it out the cup. You have to have a really an acquired taste. Um, to like it, I guess. But I put it in like my oatmeal, my pancakes, stuff that requires milk. I put this in because it has 10 grams of protein. And this is plant protein milk. So it comes from plants. It's vegan made from pea protein. 10 grams of protein versus 1 gram just in almond milk. So this is better than almond milk, y'all. 50% more calcium than your regular dairy milk. So it has more calcium than cow's milk. So that's why I bought it. And as you can tell, it says on here dairy, lactose, nuts, soy, and cargin, and gluten free. So it doesn't contain any of those. And it only has 90 calories for 8 fluid ounces. And it's only 1 carb, no sugar, like I said, 10 grams of protein, and calcium is 450 milligrams. So, I don't think that's bad. So like I said, I put this in my pancakes, oatmeals, even when I scramble my eggs. You know, some people like to use water, but just for me, because of this VSG surgery, I try to pack as much protein as I can. So with one egg, that you already getting, you know, protein, and then you put in, you know, this milk, and that gives it even more protein. So I'm just trying to double up my protein. I have my 2 eggs. One I'm going to eat, and one I'm going to put in my pancakes. I also want to show y'all about these little glass mason jars to keep my portion control, because I have a seeing problem with food. You know how you see food and your eyes are bigger than your stomach? Yeah, that's me. And especially now after having the surgery, it's really going to be, you know, bigger than my stomach. So I bought these cute, and y'all, these are so small. Like, I think it's only 2 ounces. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's 2 ounces. No, it's 4 ounces, I think. So they're real small. They're the small little mason jars. And I usually put my oatmeal in here. And let me tell you, I put oatmeal like that much because I can barely eat. So I only fix a little bit. Sometimes I may fix, you know, the whole thing, and I can continue eating on it, you know, the next day or whatever. You know, oatmeal really don't get bad. So yes, that's just it. And this is my oatmeal, y'all, I bought. And oh, by the way, this milk, I bought it Kroger. You can find it at Kroger's. I bought this oatmeal. As you can tell, it's protein oatmeal. And yes, it's good, y'all. So this oatmeal, for a half a cup, is 240 calories, 5 grams of fat, carbs 37, sugars 9, and protein 13 grams of protein, y'all. So another thing, I like to put my protein milk when I make this, because you can either make it with water or milk, and I prefer to use my milk. So also, I like to sprinkle some cheese on my eggs, and I've already used my mozzarella, so today I'm just going to use my Parmesan cheese, which will still be tasty. I love mozzarella. I really love Gouda. Gouda, especially smoked Gouda. I have to go to Sam's and get me another block of that because I love smoked Gouda. If y'all have ever tasted smoked Gouda, it's just, it's like heaven. Especially if you like cheese, you're gonna love that flavor. So let me get everything together so I can show y'all how I make it, and I'll be right back. So y'all, the instructions says to use a cup. So what I'm gonna do, I bought these at Walmart. It's the Betty Crocker, and it came with a set. They were nice and cheap, you know, just something. So I'm going to pour a cup. Now y'all see those chunks of peanut butter? Oh wow, I have to show y'all. Like, I love peanut butter, and this gives me life, y'all. Like, it has chunks of peanut butter. So what I like to do is I like to level my stuff out, but I want to show y'all the peanut butter chips. Oh, man, I'm trying to really get it so I can show y'all. Okay, you see the peanut butter chips? It's all throughout the batter. So if you love peanut butter like I do, then I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. So you use 1 cup of batter, and like I said, I'll probably eat some of this on another day. Then you want to use 3/4 cup. I like to mix my flour around because I don't like to have like those, balls, because you tend to put liquid in there and those balls, it's just hard to smooth out. So I just like to stir my mix around and, get those little clumps out the way. Okay, now I'm going to get my milk. And I'm going to use 3/4 cups. See, y'all, it kind of looks like milk. But you have to have a acquired taste, like I said before. But I don't know how the other one tastes. This is just the unsweetened kind. So the other one might taste better. I don't know. So then you mix it. See? Mix it. So I'm just going to mix that up. And y'all, I'm still like new to this surgery. So, oh my God. Oh, y'all, you can smell the peanut butter. It smells heavenly. It smells so good, y'all. And make sure that you mix your batter up like really good. I know it looks like chunks in there, but that's the peanut butter chips. I've already flattened out the Now, I was going to have some, make me some bacon, turkey bacon, or my vegan sausage, but I feel like this is enough protein, and I'm going to be full, so, yeah, it's really no need. Oh, I forgot to put this. There's really no need for that, so... Done with that. So put that out the way. So when I do my eggs, I like to use like smaller plastic cup, and this is a 9 ounce. And I like to I'm gonna put the egg in the pancake mix, but I like to scramble it first. I just figured that it just mixes better. It mixes better in your batter. So what I do is break the egg. Okay. And I always wipe my hands off. Okay, now what I do is poke holes in the yolk. Is easier to mix that way. Stir it up. You gotta move fast. Know how you gotta beat the egg. See? So now that it's mixed, so I just pour it in my batter. Make sure you get all of it. No, can't waste. Okay. Then, see, I just mix it. Just mix it. So now I'm going, this is like 18 grams of protein in just one little pancake. So now that I have that, now I'm going to rinse this out. Rinse this cup out. Now I'm going to, where's my, oh, it's hiding behind the cheese. I'm going to just crack my egg. This is the egg that I'm just going to eat. So, crack the egg. Also poke holes. But see, since this is just going to be my regular egg, I'm just going to put maybe a couple of capfuls because, like I said, it's only one egg. So, just one capful. This is one egg. And stir it up. Make sure it's mixed good. I always gotta make sure it's mixed good. Okay, also what I use, I bought this, I'm trying to, not Aldi's. I can't remember where I bought it. Maybe Walmart. Yes, it's other grocery store too. I can't remember, but you can find it at any store. I like to cook with coconut oil. Cause yes, it is fatty. It has those fats, but ladies, all fat is not bad. So, especially with coconut oil is good for your body, your skin, your hair. You can use this for like anything. And I just enjoy cooking with it. So what I do is I just get a little, whatever, a little too much, just a little. And I'm going to cook my pancakes first. So let me see about moving my camera over here so y'all can see. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm just mixing my protein milk and my oatmeal together in my mason jar while I let my oil heat up to make these pancakes. I just stir this around. I usually just do my oatmeal in the microwave because it's like, how can you cook? Like, I literally only use 2 teaspoons of oatmeal, y'all. And there's just no way to cook 2 little teaspoons. 2 little teaspoons on the stove top. So, yeah. So I have my egg and my pancakes. So, my pan, how you know a pan is good temperature is when the oil all the way dissolves and it's not in clumps, it's liquid. So, I'm going to always put my hand over it. Yes, it's pretty toasty. And what I do is I'm just going to scoop just a little bit. And I'm just going to make little pancakes. Like these are little. I'm going to make 4 of them. So it could be nicely spread out. Okay, so I just have my 4 little pancakes. I'm gonna lift my camera up. See how little they are, not big, like at all. So yeah. Now, you know, regular pancakes, you see the edges bubbling, and that's usually a good sign to flip them over. But I don't like my pancakes too light or too dark. So, and I have my, it's like an appetizer plate. I got the whole set at Walmart when I first moved into my place. And they're real small. So I can fit a little meal in there and it's not too big or overwhelming. So you just cook them. Let me see. And you just flip over. And just flip them. And I like to be very careful because I don't like, how you call it, ugly pancakes. Like it takes time to know how to flip pancakes and not get them too dark or have them too light, you know. Just the perfect pancakes, you know, like at IHOP. So I like to mash down a little bit. I don't like to make them too flat. I like them to stay fluffy. I just like to get that excess. And these pancakes I will probably put up in probably a bag. So we'll see. So they only need a few minutes, y'all. Pancakes don't take that long. 1 second. So yeah, y'all, they just need a few minutes to cook. And they're perfect. So I'm just going to take these off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just going to scramble my egg. When you scramble your egg, you got to be quick because it's only a little bit. And I like to use a little Slap Your Mama and my Parmesan cheese. So I just get like a little sprinkle and I just sprinkle it. Just a little sprinkle. So just start moving around. And I like my eggs a little brown. I like that texture. And it only takes a few minutes because it's, like I said, it's only one egg. So yeah, there y'all have it. I'll be back with the finished product. So this is the final product. As you can see, I'm getting close to peanut butter chips all throughout. And my 2 teaspoons of oatmeal that I had in my little mason jar right there. And 1 egg with Parmesan cheese. And this is the syrup that I used.
I'm a diabetic, so I've never really ate regular syrup for a while. This is what I use. I bought this at Walmart, and it only has 15 calories, 6 grams of carbs, no protein. So it's good for all diabetics and for VSG surgery because it has barely no sugar. It has a little sweet taste to it. I use this, or I like to use the real maple syrup. And yeah, so thanks for coming to my channel. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If y'all like for me to do more of these cooking and what I eat or what I eat in a day, make sure you comment below and let your girl know. And thank you. Bye.